Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be taking a look at this Sydelway 56V 5.3Ah Ego compatible replacement battery. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. Let's get this open. So what we have here is a battery that's compatible with Ego power tools. So we have a little user guide here. You can pause and read through that. So here's the battery. So I have a number of Ego power tools. I have a snowblower, mower, and blower, and they're starting to get older, so the batteries are starting to degrade a little bit. So this is a 5.3 amp hour. So I could run this on my blower or my lawnmower. Now my snowblower typically takes two batteries that are 5 amp hour, so you could get two of these. You can run it off one. I find it works best to run it off two, but. So if we press the button here, we do have a power meter here. It says we're at 4 out of 5 dots there. Now this is all hard plastic here. I think the Ego has a little bit of rubber on it. So I'm careful with all my batteries, but you probably want to make sure you don't drop this on anything. So let's go plug this into the charger and let it charge up. Okay, so I have my Ego battery charger sitting over here in the corner of my shop. Let's try this on it. Okay, so it looks like it's charging. I'll let this finish charging up and then we'll test it out. Okay, so I have the battery here and I have my 530 CFM blower and I have my lawnmower. So let's try it in the blower real quick. So I'll just slide this in the back just like the regular battery. Clipped in nicely. Okay, so that worked as expected. Pull it out. Now I'll put it in the mower. So I'll do some mowing with this and then I'll come back and give my thoughts. Okay, so I'm done testing this out. I had some leaves to pick up, so I picked them up with the mower using the catch bag, and then when I was done I used the blower to blow off the mower. So I was working on this maybe 20 minutes to a half hour intermittently, and I'm down one light on the battery. Now if I was mowing the whole yard and it's really thick grass, I don't know if this would do my whole yard. A 7.5 amp hour will mostly do my yard. I would bet this would get very close, even though it's lower capacity, but it's brand new, so it should have a little bit longer runtime. So that's the Sydelway 56V 5.3 amp hour Ego compatible battery. My Ego power tools are getting older and the batteries are starting to be degraded, so it's nice having this fresh battery. Now I tested it mostly in the mower today, but I also used it in my blower. I'll probably mostly use this in my blower and then maybe put it in my mower if needed. But I think this is going to be a good replacement battery. I think that there's one deficiency, it's that it doesn't have that rubber around it. So if you're prone to dropping your batteries, which maybe you should change your behavior, but this may not be as protected, but I tend to be very careful with these things, so I think it's going to work great for me. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.